Okay friends, now let's make the CRUD for posts. So right now if I click here, yeah, the create method does not exist on the post controller. So let's go and create that. So I'm going to open the post controller here and let's create the method create, and the return type is going to be response, inertia response. And also here now let's return inertia render, and we are going to render the admin slash post slash create. Today's video is brought to you by Cloudways, a managed cloud hosting platform for PHP-based applications. So we have WordPress, Magento, Laravel, and PHP. Cloudways takes over all server management and security hassles to let you solely focus on your business. Their custom stack provides performance boost, managed backups that keep your app safe, and a staging environment that lets you test code without breaking live sites. Plus, pre-configured Composer and integrated GI make deployments a breeze, and you get a choice between 5 top cloud providers including DigitalOcean, Vultr, Linode, WSL, and GCI. With Cloudways, you not only get flexibility, but peace of mind. So if you are an agency or an e-commerce store owner, Cloudways is a great fit for all your managed hosting requirements. Don't forget to use promo code link in description. Okay, let's save this and let's create the create page. So inside the resources, JS, pages, admin, we have posts, and here is the create. Now we don't need permissions here. And we have permissions here, let's ignore for now. So let's remove here. And for the form, we need only the title. So if I open the table class, we have the ID title and that's it. So let's change this to be title. And then create new post here. It's going to go back to the post index. And create new post. Also here, the form post is going to be the posts store, and we need to change this to be let's say title here, and we need to change the autocomplete for title, autofocus, okay, form errors, and that's it. We have only that. So let's remove this one and let's say create. Okay, we don't need the multi-select. Remove that, and also let's remove the multi-select from here. If I come here now and refresh, and let's say new post, we navigate here. Here we have create new post and the title. Good. Now let's work with the store method. Here, let's say method store, and we need the request. So let's create a new request here. I'm going to add a new and say artisan make request, and I'm going to name it create post request. Like this, hit enter. Let's close this and now use that create post request. Okay, $ request. Like this, and the return time is going to be redirect response. And here, let's say post, create, and pass here the request, $sign request validated, like this. And we need to return to the route post index. So return to the route post index, like this. Okay, now let's open this create post request and change the authorized boolean to be true, and add the rules only for the title. So let's say title here, which is going to be required, and also it's going to be string, and also let's say max 255, like this. Save and close. Also save this one. And now let's see on the browser, if I refresh, let's say for title first post, and create, and yeah, we need to add the title to fillable properties. I forget to do that. So let's open post model and say here protected $sign fillable to be equal with an array which we have only the title for now. And if I save now and come here and refresh, let's say first post, and create that post, and now we have the first post. Okay, let's work with edit and delete. So here I'm going to create a new method, which is going to be edit, and here we are going to receive the ID, so $sign ID. The return type is going to be response, inertia response, and here let's say $sign post to be equal with post find or fail, and pass here the ID, or we can use the route model binding and just pass here post $sign post. Now this is up to you what you like this, or you inject the post model. So let's leave it with the inject post model and return inertia render, and we are going to render inside the admin /post/edit, and we need to pass here a prop for post. So let's say post here, which is going to be, and we need post resource. So inside the resources, we have here post resource, and let's change that to be ID $sign this ID, and also the title, which is going to be $sign this title, like this. And let's save and close now, and let's use that. So let's say here new post resource, and pass in the post here. Good. Let's save now, and on the post edit page here, we need to define not the role but the post, which is going to be type object and required true. Let's remove permissions, and let's remove the multi-select, we don't need here. On create for, we need to say title here, and props post title, like this. Remove permissions, also remove this unmounted and this one. Update the post, and here also we need to change this to be post and go back, update post here as well, and the route is going to be post update, pass in here the post ID. Okay, also here we need to change this to be title and select all the names and say title as well. Like here we see title like this. We need to remove this one because we need only the title and say update. For permissions, remove this multi-select and save this one, and now go back. First open the post index. Okay, on the edit we say post edit, add the post ID, and I think we're okay. So let's go here and refresh. Good. If I click to the edit, we navigate here. Okay, now let's work with the update method on the post controller. So create the method with name update, and here we need the create post request with $request, and also we need the post. So let's inject here post $post, and the return type is going to be redirect response. And first let's update the post, so $post update, and pass in here the request validated. And then let's return to the route post index. So let's copy that and paste it here. The last thing, let's do the method for delete. So method destroy, and we need here post $post. Also here is going to be a redirect response return type, and we need to redirect back. So first let's say $post delete, and then return back like this. Hit save, and let's see now on the browser what we have. Refresh here. First post updated, I'm going to say. Click update. We redirected back and the first post is updated. If I remove everything and say update, we have the title file is acquired. Okay. Just first post like this. Now update, we are good. Let's say delete, cancel, delete this, and it's deleted. Okay friends, that's it about this video. I hope you enjoy and see you in the next one. All the best and thank you very much.